So let's see about getting our data. I'm going to run these commands one at a time rather than running the whole chunk at once. So the first thing we'll do is do this, which should accomplish getting nc.r data down to our computer. Now watch what happens down here in the lower right hand corner where I'm looking at the Files tab. And then let's run this command. Run selected lines. And you see what happened is that you now have nc.r data in your working directory. Okay, now that we've got that done, let's actually get nc.r data loaded into our R session. Okay, and I'll put my cursor in this thing, and then I'll say run, and again run selected lines. Now when I do this, watch the upper right hand corner over here. Okay, aha. Now you see that in my global environment, I have a data set called NC, which has 1,000 observations. Okay, now let's take a look at it. strnc, run selected lines, and we see what's in it. And if you've looked at the, and I hope you've looked at the documentation on the Open Intro website, and you see that you've got 1,000 observations of 13 variables: father's age, mother's age, mature, which classifies the mother as to being mature or younger, weeks, the number of weeks of gestation, preemie, which a factor with two levels, either full term or preemie, the number of visits that the mother had, prenatal visits before the birth, marital, either married or not married, gained, this is the number of pounds gained by the mother, and weight is the weight of the baby in pounds. And then there's low birth weight, which classifies the baby as to be either low or not low. And then there's gender, female and male. And habit, what habit are we talking about? Drinking, going to bed early? No, it's smoking. So habit has two values, either non-smoker or smoker. And white mom is just white or not white. Okay, so we've now got our data successfully loaded into our R session, and we can proceed to learn something about it.